Hello, myself Jackie Shormawai. I started lecture series on physics. I choose the very important and very nice topic, electromagnetic radiation. So in previous videos I confirmed that topic. I included three videos in that particular topic. First is basic electromagnetic radiation, and second also basic electromagnetic radiation. But third video I particular on that topic, basic mathematics used in physics. So I can in previous videos to people that if you carry basic mathematics, then you have easily understand basic concept and laws of physics. In future videos I use rigorous mathematics, so you have to people learn basic mathematics so you easily understand. In previous videos I started electromagnetic radiation. So in that topic I discuss what is the basic phenomena of electromagnetic radiation. So I discussed that the electromagnetic radiation basically this is confined to important areas of physics. First is electromagnetic and second is radiation. The electromagnetic, which carry electromagnetic phenomena, electric field, etc. And the second part is radiation. Radiation contains some energy, some basic thermodynamics law which knows about what happened when the temperature of a body given to a specific time, what happened. Then this information comes out from radiation. In electromagnetic, we know about electromagnetic. So I some basic knowledge you to people I want to know about electromagnetic. So we know that about electromagnetic, it comes generate from electric field. When any phenomenon of electric field, then we present that the electromagnetic radiation have been founded. So you have to people learn about basic electricity, that is electric field, intensity of electric field, Coulomb's law, vector potential, and know about basic magnetic law, Faraday law, Lorentz force, magnetic induction. Faraday's law is very important, vital play a role in. This is the backbone of electromagnetic and alternating current. So you have to people learn these things so you can easily understand electromagnetic radiation which easily used in electric field. So I discuss some basic electric field. Firstly we about discuss what is electricity. So electricity is nothing. Electricity is the electric current which is contain number of electron which flow with respect to time in a wire or any time. When the electron is flow with respect to time, that is called electricity. When then electricity comes, then we conclude the Coulomb force, Coulomb's law. The Coulomb's law is basically used for two charged particle, that is one is test charge, and about the test charge it is contained from origin, that the origin we conclude the distance x. Then we take another charge. When the two charge you have to people imagine that we have two charge when the distance is x, then the total attraction force when the charge is opposite, then the attraction force, we know that the attractive force are when the opposite charge is attract and same charge is repulsive. So we take any uh, attractive charge, then we find that that is just some force between them charges. So this force is known as Coulomb force. This is the formula is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 q2 बटे r square. So in that formula we have seen that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. which contain value 9 to 10 to the power 9, and Q1 Q2, the totally force dependent on Q1 Q2, which is the quantity of charge and the distance between them. So the the F is inversely proportional to 1 upon R. So listen carefully. F is equal to 1 upon inversely proportional to R square. So we have seen in that particular case, when the distance is minimum, then the force is maximum. When the distance is maximum, the force is minimum. So this is the behalf of Coulomb's law. The many phenomena are easily discussed in the basic application of Coulomb law we found in nuclear physics, when in nucleus the two electron and proton are also combined with Coulomb force. And we have to I have to discuss about electric electricity and electric field. This is basically when a charged particle in at surface and atmosphere, then which is contained q, then I have a another charge q naught, when charge q which contain electric field, then this charge when this charge q naught, which some feel that a force that is called Coulomb force, when this is charge in atmosphere, this is q. We cannot know what is the force, but we can say that this is the Coulomb force. This may be gravity force, this may be any type of force basically, but this is conclude as Coulomb force. So electric field is equal to Coulomb force F but a charge q naught. So electric field is equal to F but a charge q naught. So here electric field is equal to 1 upon 4 epsilon naught q1 q2 but a r. Behalf of this, we easily defined vector potential. This is equal to work is equal to when sometimes when a particular charge on atmosphere, this contain a Coulomb force. So we know that when the force comes, so easily work is also come, because when force is contained, then work is contained. The basic mechanics we know that the work is equal to force into distance. So here vector potential basically due to induced some work. So work is equal to vector potential what a electric charge. So here we can easily define vector potential is equal to 1 upon 4 epsilon naught q upon r. Listen carefully. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q upon r, not q1 q2, only q upon r. So vector potential also dependent on the inversely distance of power 1. So we have easily conclude that the some electrical phenomenon of electromagnetic radiation. So in many situations, when the electric field and electricity move a wire and any conductor, which generates electromagnetic parallel. When a particle move in the electric field, then it generates electric field. So when the electric field is go in any medium, then it generates electric field. So when an electricity is present, then we can say easily that the magnetic field is also present in that situation. So magnetic field, when this is a wire, then electric electricity is move in any direction. So in that particular situation, I can say that also magnetic field in that situation. So here in electric field, the Coulomb's law. In magnetic field is Lorentz force, which is equal to F barabar QVB. Here Q is charge of particle, V is the velocity of particle, and here is the new term is B. B is the magnetic field, which is comparable to electric field. The magnetic field is generated due to electric field. but it can different property, different strength. So here we can conclude magnetic field. The Lorentz force is equal to F barabar QVB. When an electron is goes to magnetic field, we know if we contain some magnetic field, when an electron in go to magnetic field, it it not go in x direction, it goes to circular direction. In electric field, the electron when go in electric field, that is that is per parabola. When, if you know mathematics, you know about parabola. An electron in an electric field when go, then it contain parabola. When an electron go in magnetic field, it follows circular path. It follows circular path. When it follows circular path, if we conclude a velocity at that point in magnetic field, when we find that when when it when it move in circular path at any distance and at time, when this direction of electron, so we know that is the this is the direction of electron and this is the direction of magnetic field. Then it contain theta, so it circulate when electron here, so theta is here. When electron here, that is theta here. When electron here, the theta here. When electron here, the theta here. If the electron make angle theta when easily, so that is Lorentz forces F barabar QVB sin theta. In in early centuries, we know about electromagnetic radiation. When that is found that this is the reverse process. I say after 5 minutes that when the electric field generate magnetic field here, we know that when an magnetic field is move around any axis of the coordinate with respect to time, so we can that this is generate the electric field. When an movement of magnetic field, so we can that this is generate the electric field also. When a conductor of magnetic field, that is this direction, and it contain magnetic field, when 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 we took a, this is the conductor and we took a battery, and that battery which give energy of this magnetic conductor, so we can that a in ammeter in voltmeter a fluctuation. So this shows that the magnetic field also generate electric current. So in here the force is electromagnetic force. The Faraday's law is that the electromagnetic force is equal to the change in d phi by dt. Here phi is the magnetic flux. The magnetic flux is equal to magnetic field into area around the conductor. So basically Faraday says that when I have a conductor, when it contain magnetic field B, it contain area. So when some electric field generate in that conductor, so it is the cause of electricity. Listen carefully. It is the cause of electricity. So due to magnetic induction, the electric motive force generation which cause the electricity. So both are parallel. Electric field generation of electric magnetic field, and magnetic field is generation of electric field. So easily we can easily prevail these type of phenomena. In electromagnetic radiation, thermodynamics play a vital role. The first law of thermodynamics I have discussed in earlier videos. Here we the discuss of basic of electromagnetic radiation. The electromagnetic radiation, it contain many areas of atomic physics. X-rays, the X-rays is used in the hospitality. So it contain the laser light. We cannot show in your eyes, but we can detect any detector which is called the electronic detector. We can easily conclude X-rays. So electromagnetic radiation is the backbone of physics. So here we know today about the what is electric field, what is electromagnetic radiation, what is the generation of electric field. In the last video मैं हिंदी में फिर आपसे एक बात कहूँगा कि प्लीज़ यार, अगर आप ना इस वीडियो को टाइम दे रहे हो या इस सब्जेक्ट को टाइम दे रहे हो तो इसे ऐसे सीखो जैसे ये आपने ही बनाया हो। मतलब ये मतलब किताबों से हम हर बार पढ़ते हैं, हम हर साल पढ़ते हैं और पढ़ के इसे भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन अब अगर आप इसे एक बार समझोगे तो आपके हमेशा काम आएगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। नमस्कार।